What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. If you've been following the channel, you know I've put quite a few pool robots through their paces. But today, we're looking at something that was sent to me for review from Beatbot that claims to solve one problem every other robot I've tested fails at: shallow ledges. I'm not sure how it will do in my pool, as I don't have many ledges except for these steps and this bench. However, we can still judge its overall cleaning result. This is the Beatbot Sora 30, part of the Sora family, sitting in the middle as the best balanced mainstream choice between the entry Sora 10 and higher end Sora 70. It's a cordless cleaner that just doesn't do floors and walls. It's specifically engineered to handle those shallow platforms where algae loves to start. Upon opening the box, we'll find our quick start guide poster, user's manual, retrieval hook, the Sora 30 itself, and at the very bottom is the power charger. First, let's talk hardware. This thing feels solid, coming in at just under 20 pounds. Under the hood, we've got a massive 10,000 mAh battery. Beatbot says that this gives you up to 5 hours of floor cleaning, or about 4.5 if you're doing the full floor, wall, and waterline routine. For a pool like mine, that's more than enough for a single session without worrying about it dying halfway through. You'll notice the Sonic Sense dual ultrasonic sensors on the front and bottom. These aren't just for show. The bottom sensor actually detects platform heights and slopes, which is how it handles water as shallow as 8 inches. Most robots hit that depth and either get stuck or suck air. The Sora 30 is designed to keep scrubbing. It's got a 5-liter debris basket, which is about double what you see in standard robots. If you're dealing with heavy seasonal drops, you won't be emptying this mid-cycle. It comes with a 150 micron filter for the big stuff, but there is an optional 3 micron ultra-fine filter coming soon if you really want to polish the water and get that glass look. On the suction side, we're looking at 6,800 gallons per hour. To put that into perspective, it's pulling in everything from fine sand to those heavy leaves we get during the Texas fall. The Sora family of cleaners can also integrate with the Beatbot app that allows for switching between floor, standard, and eco modes. Here is the current state of my pool. The pool floor has various debris in it, including tiny gravel, a bit of sand, shingle grit from the roof, a few bugs, and a lot of leaves. So, let's get the Sora 30 into the pool. Retrieval is always the pain point with cordless bots. Nobody wants to go fishing with a hook. The Sora 30 uses what they call submarine-inspired floating tech. When the battery hits 12% or it finishes the job, it automatically parks itself at the surface near the edge. It also has a smart drain system, so when you lift it out, the water dumps instantly, making it way easier on your back. Now that we have the Sora 30 out of the pool, you may hear it continue to churn along. This is the smart drain system. Anyways, before opening it up, press and hold the power/mode toggle to the side for 3 seconds to turn the bot off. And after removing the debris compartment cover, we can see everything captured in the debris basket: the gravel, bugs, leaves, etc. Don't forget to rinse off the bot thoroughly after use to wash away any residual pool water, then dry prior to charging for the next cleaning cycle. So, is it the new king of my backyard? If you have a complex pool with tanning ledges or shallow steps that you're tired of manually scrubbing, the Sora 30 is in a league of its own right now. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it solution for the whole pool, not just the deep end. If you want to check out the product details, I'll leave a link down in the description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe or follow for any future videos I upload. Thanks for watching.